Hello and welcome. My name is Syed Saudar Hussain Shah. This is my online platform, Bukhari Information Technology System, BITS. I am very happy. I am going to show you my first ever application, which is BITS YouTube Video Summarizer. BITS YouTube Video Summarizer is an AI-powered project. In a real world flooded with content, time is the real currency. I am proud to present my latest AI-driven project, BITS YouTube Video Summarizer, built using advanced NLP techniques and transformer models. What is its purpose? To help users instantly understand long YouTube videos by generating concise, professional summaries with just one click. Why this matter? With millions of hours of video uploaded daily, we often skip valuable content due to time constraints. My summarizer makes learning, research, and content consumption more efficient by saving time and boosting productivity. What it does: extracts and processes video transcripts, uses NLP models to generate accurate summaries, delivers clean, readable text ideal for blogs, notes, or captions. Technology used Python, Hugging Face transformers, Streamlit for user interface, YouTube API, T5 BART based summarization models. Why it helps and who can it help? Students and researchers, content creators, digital marketers, busy professionals, and we are not stopping at this stage. We are improving it. Currently improving support for multi-language videos, summary refinement through paraphrasing models, future integration with WhatsApp bots and voice summarization. If you believe in using AI to save time, enhance understanding, and make tech more accessible, follow this project and stay tuned for updates. You can see on the screen different email, WhatsApp, YouTube channel. You can subscribe it for further details and more videos at BITS platform. Now I am going to show you the demo of this my application. Here it is. You can see BITS YouTube Video Summarizer. I am going to take a video which I have already selected. Here it is.
And I'm also a former software developer at Google. Hey everyone, my name is YK and I'm the founder of this YouTube channel CS Dojo, and I'm also a former software developer at Google.
Yes, this is a very important video of 24 minutes 37 seconds, but we want a concise summary. Very important. Before watching whole video, we must see a summary. So I copy it and go to my application, which I have already run on localhost. Here it is. This is the localhost which I have run, and here it comes, and I'm going to summarize it. Here it is, fetching transcripts, and wait a bit, generated summary with AI, running load summarizer. This is my programming, and here you will have to wait 1 to 2 minutes, and the whole summary will be extracted, and in the form of English text it will appear. It's a really here it is. It has extracted summary of our entire YouTube URL and in a precise manner. We will further enhance it. We will add some professionalism in formatting, and also will translate into different languages and TTS in future as well. Thank you very much. This is my demo, and I hope you will appreciate it, and you may contact me at email address, or and you can also WhatsApp me, and you can also go to my YouTube BITS channel, which address is given. Thank you very much.